Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G9 Power and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the rear camera and selfie camera settings at the first place here, and here we have the photo sizes options. So for example, let me pick the rear camera photo size now, and here we get access to some advanced settings about the size of our photo. We can manage the ratio and also the resolution of the picture. Now let's focus on the ratio. We are in 3 and 4, we can pick also 9 and 16, and in the camera preview when we go back we can see that this is the longer one, so the background has changed. Another tap to the right corner to the photo size of the rear camera, and we can pick also the full aspect ratio. So let's go back to the camera preview to see it. And as you can see, this is how it looks like. Of course, when we go here and to the photo size, we can easily go back to 3 and 4 aspect ratio. And as I said, it's connected with the resolution, so here we can pick the quality of these ratios. Of course, I suggest you to keep this on the best possible, so the recommended here one. Now let's go back here to the settings. Let's move to the selfie camera. When we tap on the photo size, we have the same ratios, so we can manage this easily like that also. And this is connected with different resolutions, so you can pick whatever you need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.